Okay. So this part of the job we do. This is called underwater scraping. We also scrape ship's bottom at every part of our waterways. We do ship's bottom scraping, clean under your ship, scrape off every marine growth, every debris, every dirt, clear the switches, scrape the propeller, the rudders, the shaft. So this one is called underwater scraping. You can also do it at jetty. The service is rendered also at breakwaters, offshore, general marine services. We clear sea chests. So many other work we do underwater. We do underwater camera video. After scraping, we video under the ship. Show you how neat it is, how clean it is. Job satisfaction is also guaranteed. So these are my divers down, diver Jiroba, diver Martins into. Anyways, this diver Martins into, today is his birthday. Today is one of his birthday package. So I decided to use him for underwater scraping to celebrate his birthday. Ajuruba, well done.
Yes, sir.
Away.
What?
I am this operation.
Hip hip hip.
I no go
Plus one vibe. Yeah. That's how we roll. It's a blessing.
Make us sleep for office. Now you say that this
It's a blessing. I want to be a diver. I know be scrape. You want to be a diver.
We are scraping already.
Problem.
Look at the ecosystem.